Have you come across simultaneous equations with only variables? These appear more often as you progress through school, and are great for improving your algebra skills. This is a quick one. Let's solve this problem for x only. Let's number our equations. Since we want to solve for x, let's eliminate y. For us to do this, we need the coefficient of y to contain the same variables. So we'll multiply equation 1 by a and equation 2 by b. This gives us. Now, if we add the two equations, y will be eliminated. Let's do that. Conveniently, all the x terms are already on one side, so let's factorize. Now dividing both sides by a squared plus b squared gives us x equals 2ab over a squared plus b squared. We're done. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. We solve new problems every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.